All right, I think we are recording, and I am trying different tech things over here, so bear with me. Okay, so this is a lesson to go over some multiplication for 3rd grade. I know that we dove a little quickly into 3-digit by 3-digit, and that could be very overwhelming. So I'm going to do a couple of problems with you now on the dry erase board, and then I'm going to post 4 problems for you on Google Classroom. And that is your job tomorrow on Thursday e-learning, okay? So let me present my screen. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our first problem, okay? I'm going to just pick a couple of numbers. Let's start with 39 times 17. Okay, in our double-digit multiplication, I want us to practice this standard procedure and not the array multiplication for now. 9 times 7, we always multiply our ones places first. So, times 7, 63. In the number 63, the 3 is in the ones place. It must stay in the ones place, okay? The 6 is really a group of tens. We need to carry it into the tens place. So think about that, where those numbers belong, all right? Now, the 7 has already multiplied by the 9, so now technically he's multiplying by the 3 and also considering that group of 6 tens that we had previously. 7 times 3 is 21, plus the 6 that you carried is 27. Now, 27 looks like this, but you are technically multiplying 7 by the tens place. So when you answered that problem, it was really 270. So when you write 27 right here, it's not 27, it's 270 plus the 3 you had already put into the ones place. So be thinking about tens and ones. Now we just multiplied our 7 by our 9 and by 3, which was 30, and we're done. Put yourself a placeholder. Some kids like to put a 0, some put a little slash through it. Whatever you want to do, just know that we are no longer in the ones place. We're moving now into the tens, so our answer will begin in the tens place. 1 times 9, or 10 times 9, is 90. 1 times 9 is 9, or 10 times 9 was 90. Same thing. We're in the tens place now. 1 times 3 is 3, or what you just said was 10 times 30 was 300. And you brought it down here. We already had the 90 there, so we added the 300 in. Now we are going to put them all together. Carry. Your answer is 663. 39 times 17, 663. Let's do one more. New color this time. All right, 58 times 42. This is going to be a little bigger number this time. I have larger multipliers. Start in my ones place. 2 times 8 is 16. Your 6 stays in the ones place. Your 1 is really a 10. It belongs in the tens place. I'm just writing this here to show you. The 2 has already multiplied by the 8. They're done. Now the 2 gets multiplied by the tens place, which is really 50. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Remember, we said we were really multiplying by the tens place. So 2 times 5 plus 1, which was 60. 2 times 5 was, 2 times 50, 100, plus the 10 that you carried up there. 110 was really what you brought here. You already had the 6. So sometimes when I say things like, oh, 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 makes 11. This is really 110. So I want you to be thinking about your tens and your ones. Once I've carried that number and used it, I'm going to erase it. I am done with my ones place. Put my placeholder. Now I'm into my tens. 4, which is really 40. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry my 3. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3 more is 23. Add them all together. All right. Now this does seem like a bigger number, but if you think about 58 times 42, that's going to be a big number. 52 times is just 100. So if you did it 42 times, 2,436 is your total. All right, so I want you to bear with this process. I know that this is not an easy one. Oops, hold on 1 second. But you're just learning and you have to give yourself a little bit of time. So watch this video more than once if you need to. I'm only giving you 4 problems tomorrow to work on. If you fly through those 4 problems and you would like to create a few more of your own, I would challenge you to do some triple digit by double digit or even triple by triple, which some students were doing that and feeling comfortable today. It's all a process. You guys will get used to it and you'll get better and better at it. Okay, so I will see you during our check-in. This is just a quick video to remind you what we went over today, and check your Google Classroom for your 4 problems. And I'm going to figure out how to stop recording. Okay, bye.